Hi guys, and welcome back to TechnoWeb Hack. So this is the third video for our vulnerability and information gathering and vulnerability assessment. And in the previous video I have shown you how you can find the exploits or how to use Shodan and what is Shodan. And now in this video we will be looking into few websites, the exploit websites, like how you can find the exploits for which port or for which vulnerability which exploit will work, and how you can find that. I will show you that complete information in this tutorial. Alright, so let's start that. And this is the first website, that is exploitdb.com. exploit-db.com. Here you can find a number of exploits that are already available in here. And if you want to search like the way with the vulnerability of the system, definitely you will scan the system with the nmap or any other tool first, and then you will be looking at the vulnerabilities. After that you will get the port numbers that are open. So according to the port you will try to find out what are the vulnerabilities it is having, and according to the port, like, you will find what is the exploit that will work on that particular vulnerability. So most of the people, like, they will not sure, or they will not know about this technique, how to find the exploit or which exploit will work for which vulnerability. So this is a very important topic here. And as I have shown in the previous video how you can search for the particular exploit using a port in the Shodan, like example wise we can take as a port 445. Let's search that. So you get this many exploits. So this is the, yeah, Microsoft Windows Server 2000 or 2003, which will also work on Windows XP. And when you click on this, so this is the exploit. So like, uh, yeah, you get this CVV number over here. So using this CVE number also you can search the exploit in your terminal. All right, so let's go back and let's search it here like this. So yeah, it will pop up all the exploit that will work with this vulnerability. So you can see this is that exploit. This you can use and you can try to attack to the target machine using this exploit. All right, so next we will move to how you can, if this exploit is not available in your system, then what you will do. So first of all, let's see if we get this exploit as well. Let's search for this another CVE number, and let's see if we get this. So we got this as well, it's the same one. All right, this is available. So in case if anything that is not available, so how you will add that exploit code into your exploit database, and how you will access that, or how you will use that exploit in for attacking to the target machine. So first of all, I will show you some basic stuff here, how you will search the exploit. So you got to know using the Shodan tool how you can search for particular exploit, like for the port 23. So you get this kind of exploit, so many exploit that you will get. And yeah, this is very good tool for finding exploit, guys. And once you click on this exploit, it will take you back to the exploitdb.com, which is the first one that we have here. So once you come here, you will see the code that it is having. This is the code that this exploit is having. So source code is already given. You can also download the same by clicking on this download button, or you can search whether this is already available in your Metasploit database using this CVE code. Let's search this, copy, and all right, so let's paste and search for this. So you can see, all right, you cannot find this. And this is not available, so that's why you are not able to find. But what if now you can see that rank is great and now you want to use this exploit? Now you're sure that, all right, I got to know that 23, yeah, the port number on this exploit or this vulnerability will work on my particular target. So how you can now use this, because you don't have this added in your database. All right, so this thing we will be going to cover in this video. Before that, I will show you how you can search with this as well. Like you can search for the this is the rapid7db, rapid7.com db. This also owns the exploits. And let's see for port 445 whether we get something. And yes, there is there are, yeah, there are some exploit that it pops up, but it's better ways like Windows 7. Okay, let's try the Windows 7, select in all databases and search for it. So it should pop you up all the exploit that will work for the Windows 7. And this many exploit are here. So according to this, you will not sure which exploit to work. So you can type for the port 445 and yeah, so it will also pop you up some exploit. Let's see. Yeah, it got just 2 entries. So anyways, this is also the good website, or yeah, you can find it here. Any exploit like exploit for Windows 10, just type it here and select yeah. So it will search for the exploit in their database, and you can see it got popped up this many exploit for Microsoft. So the CVE number is already given here for the Windows elevation of privilege vulnerability. So exploit is also there, Microsoft Windows ALPC task scheduler local privilege elevation. And you can see by clicking on this exploit. Alright, so you can see the particular exploit directly name, the exploit name is already given over here. So you can directly copy this, go to your terminal, okay, say use and paste this. So if this is available in your database, so it will pop up here, but this is like a failed to load a module because this is not available in your Metasploit database. So in this case, how you will add it, so this thing we will do. And so you can see if it is available, so like you directly get the exploit name over here. All right, like this, you get the CVE number. You can also search with this. Also it is showing that the target is Windows 10 64-bit machine. All right, so source code also you can get it from here. It is also showing you that how you can use this. So we tried this, but this is not available in our system. So I'll show you how you can add this kind of exploits in your Metasploit database, and you can use this kind of uh, exploits to attack to your target machine. All right, so let's go back once. All right guys, so let's go back. And oh, this is your show done. All right, so here you can search. Also here you can search this is particular website. Instead of directly searching here, also you can search here. So just go here, click on exploits, and yeah, it will pop you up the number of exploits. 15 exploit in one page. You can select accordingly as a 30, 60, how much you want. You can also search here with Windows. Okay, so Microsoft Windows 10 local privilege escalation. Okay, so like this it will pop you up. All right, so this links I will put it in the description. All right, so let's see. Okay, so let's take any of the exploit from here. Let's see. Example like okay, nested user namespace local Linux. All right, so let's do one thing. Yeah, let's download this. So it will download. It's okay, and go back here, open this folder. All right, and this name as we will name it as a local Linux new or something. All right, so let's do it. local underscore linux underscore test we will give it as. So rename it with the test. So all right, but this looks like it saves as a test notepad file, but we don't want it to be saved as a notepad. It should be ruby. So as a rb.rb and rename it with rb. All right, so now what you need to do, uh, you can see I will show you how you will exactly put it in the exact location. So you can see the type for this exploit is local, and for this exploit the platform is linux. So I will show you how you will find this. Let's open the new terminal. Okay, and here you go to the other location computer, and here you can just search for the metasploit. Otherwise I will manually go to that place so that you will know this is a path for this. So it is under usr share, there you will find the metasploit. Okay, so metasploit. Okay, metasploit framework, go here, and there you will find the modules. Under the modules you can see exploit, encoder, auxiliaries, nops, and payloads. So this is our exploit. Let's put it under exploit and linux. So you can see as here, this is our linux platform exploit, and the type is local. So you can see there is a, yeah, local, it should be here somewhere. Or okay, let's go back and linux. Okay, so uh, if you are not finding a local option over here, then it might be under auxiliary, but we have it here. So yeah, you can see there are a number of exploit that is already available. So let's put this local linux underscore test over here. So okay, it says that one of the file is there already with this one, and we will do one thing, we'll cancel this and let's rename it with somewhere else, something else like test2.rb. okay, ruby, rename it with this, and now put it here. Okay, all right, we have here local linux test2, and now what we will do is as you have a metasploit open over here, so but as you have added this newly created yeah, file, so it will not find it here. What you need to do is first exit this and then load msf console once again. Okay, msf console once again, so that it will start, it will refresh the database and then it will start it. So it will detect the file which you are looking for. So let's see how it works. Alright, so now we have added that file there. So okay, let's try using this exploit linux and local, and that is the name is local underscore linux underscore test2. Alright, now you got it there. So the same way you will be adding all those exploits which are not available into your metasploit framework database. So you can see the options. So yeah, set the L host, set the stations. Once you get the station, you will have it there, and you can add the L host and then exploit, something like that. So this is the way that you will be adding this exploit into your database. And so there are a number of exploits as you can see here. Just search for it, get it, and add it over there, so that you will not just stuck over there or end up with anything like this. And you will have a grep on these commands, and you will have a complete exploitation knowledge, that which exploit will work on which vulnerability by using this websites if you make it hands-on, so that it will be very helpful for you guys. All right, so this was the purpose of this the video. So this is all for it, and I hope you guys understand it very well how you will perform this activity. And yeah, so thanks for watching this, and if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. So in the next video we will be looking into some other tools which is using for the vulnerability assessment and information gathering, like OpenVAS and some other tools. All right, so that's all guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.